Okay. Okay. Hello, Josue. How are you?
Everything is going great, and you?
Pretty good, okay? I'm really good today. Thank you for asking, okay? So thank you for coming on time. Hello, Mario. How are you? Hi, Mario. Oh my gosh, Mario is not here. Ah, yes, he's here.
I'm fine.
Okay, that's good. You're fine. Okay, welcome, Mario. Let's see. Luis is coming. Leslie is coming. So we are going to wait for them. So let's see. Luis is here. Hello, Luis. Welcome. Hello, Leslie. Welcome.
Hello, Christian.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm feeling a little bit sick.
Oh, really? What do you have?
Sore throat. I don't know, like flu.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, so I hope you will feel better in, well, maybe tonight or tomorrow. Okay, are
Yeah,
you are
thanks.
are you taking medicine?
Not yet.
Come on, Luis. Okay, but try to take some. Okay, very good. Thank you for being here, Luis. Let's see, Leslie. How are you today?
Fine, and you?
I'm fine today. Thank you for asking. Okay, welcome to the class. Hello, Daniela. How are you today?
Hi, I'm fine.
Okay, that's something good. Okay, guys, thank you for being here in our class on time. We have to continue. But first, guys, before we start with the class, I have a question for all of you. Well, I want to ask you guys if you take or if you took, I'm sorry, the exam of unit 3 and 4. Did you take it?
Yes.
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 Not
Okay,
yet.
guys.
Yes.
No yet. Okay, guys. If you take it, thank you for doing it. Okay, remember that it helps us to check if there are some doubts or we have to clarify something in the classes that we are having every week, and also, well, to check your progress in the English language. Okay, if you didn't take it, please do it today. Okay, remember that today, well, it's not the last day, but it is important to have it to do it as soon as possible. Okay, so thank you guys. Today we are going to start with our class. So let me share with you my screen. Okay, guys, nice to see you again. Okay, to everyone. So nice to see you one more week. And before we start, everybody, okay, let's check today's topic. Very good. Can you see my screen? Yes.
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 Yeah, very good. So
Yes.
today it's time to talk about demonstrative pronouns and the use of how much. Before we start this, let's play a game, okay? We are going to play today word search. What is word search? In Spanish, we say sopa de letras. So we will place word search and you have to find, you have to look for these words, okay? I don't know, if you are in a computer or even in the cell phone, you have a tool that is called Annotate. Okay, Annotate or Anotaciones, guys. Please look for it and look for one option that says drop, okay, to make these lines, okay? Look for that on the toolbar of Zoom, on the Zoom toolbar. Look for Annotate. Very good, Leslie, so you can annotate, okay? So annotate, look for the option annotate, and then draw, and you can make lines. So very good. If you can do it, please do something on the screen, okay? Okay, yes. Okay, Luis, very good. So Luis, find the option. Also Leslie. Guys, if you didn't find the option in Zoom because you are in your cell phone or because you have some problems to find it, Leslie, very good. Okay, tell me where is the word. Okay, start looking for the words on the word search and then, okay, we will start. You can tell me. Okay, so you can circle the word or you can tell me. Go ahead. Very good, Luis. Okay, very good, Leslie.
How can I say diagonal?
Diagonal, diagonal.
Diagonal.
Yep.
Lo puedo decir en español porque pues aquí sí ya se me trabó el cerebro.
Okay, so tell me, where
En
is
la última línea, donde dice TYS, en diagonal hacia arriba dice short.
in the last line?
Ujú.
Okay, let me see. Oh, yes, it's very good, Leslie. So thank you. Short. Ooh. I'm not good at drawing, guys, but thank you. Okay, thank you, Leslie. And thank you, Josue. That was really nice. Very good, Leslie. You found pants and we have short. Actually, guys, this word should be with letter S, but I made a mistake, okay? Continue. Find shirt, skirt, shoes, gloves, jacket, and blouse. You can tell me the number of the line, okay? So line number 1, 2, 3, or 4.
And the line 2, jacket is está al revés. J-A-C.
It's in the okay, it's in another way. Okay, very good. So we have jacket like this. Very good. Luis, you found shirt. Very good.
I found a word is declined.
Which one, Mario?
Shoes. Is
Where is shoes?
in the 7th line of the first.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, very good. I found it. It's here. Shoe.
So if you see the letter A in jacket down in letter B, you can share in diagonal the word blouse. Like the same with shoes.
Okay, yes, that's true. Blouse. Thank you, Leslie. Okay, so you did it. Let me see. Very good. Okay, so we have almost all the words. So we have shoes, also blouse. Okay, gloves.
Gloves is first line, G in diagonal.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Leslie. So we have gloves.
And
Okay,
skirt
gloves.
is in the middle of the down or in the 5 column
1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
and in the 8th line.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ahí.
Oh, yes, I found it. Okay, I found it. Let me check. Skirt. Very good. Nice. Okay, very good, guys. Now, all the words are done, guys. Very good. Well, you did it in a great time. So we have all this vocabulary. As you see, we are talking about clothes. But before we start, I want to ask you, what clothes do you like? Luis, what kind of clothes do you like?
Just a normal like jeans and t-shirts and shoes. I like shoes a lot.
Really? Okay, do you prefer like formal shoes or casual shoes like sneakers?
Boots. I love boots.
Boot, really?
They are very durable, so I like it.
Okay, so that's pretty good. Okay, I like it. I don't wear boots very often. I don't wear, but they look very nice. Okay, thank you, Luis. Now, what about you, Leslie? What kind of clothes do you like? Hi, Leslie. Okay, she's having internet problems, I guess. Well, Daniela, tell me, what kind of clothes do you like?
I love pants or shirts and
Okay.
t-shirts.
And t-shirts. Okay, very good. So, well, as I can see, you don't like skirts.
Who is skirts?
Oh, repeat again.
Who is skirts?
What is a skirt?
What is
Well, let me see if I have an emoji. Okay, so it's a skirt. It's a common kind of clothes for women. It's like a dress, but only in your legs.
okay. Yes, but not much.
Not too much. Okay, very
Too
good.
much.
Okay, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. What about you, Mario? What kind of clothes do you like?
I like shirts and jeans. But I here don't are gyms, but I like the gyms and shoes, casual shoes. Just that.
Just that. Okay, very good. But yeah, you are right. We don't have jeans in the list, but it's also possible. So very good. Thank you for sharing. Hello, Malcolm. Welcome. Malcolm, what kind of clothes do you like?
Hello, I like clothes like sportive, comfortable, sneaker.
Sneakers. Okay, very good. So do you wear formal clothes?
More or less a few occasions.
Okay, so but that's pretty cool. Okay, so yes, I guess it's better. Well, it's better to wear a like casual clothes or as you say, sportive clothes. That's pretty nice. Okay, thank you, Malcolm, for sharing. Well, guys,
Okay.
as you can see, today we are talking about clothes, but well, the main focus of this class, guys, is to talk about the demonstrative pronouns. So let's start with this. Okay, before we start, please pay attention to Josue. Josue, read the information about the demonstrative pronouns.
The demonstrative pronouns represents a things or things.
Very
One
good.
more.
Oh, only that. Okay, very good.
Okay.
As you see today, we have 4 demonstrative pronouns. Okay, we have this, we have that, we have these, and we have those. As you see, these 2 words are very similar, or the pronunciation is similar, but the difference, guys, is that in number 1, so we pronounce it like a letter E. So this, this. And in plural, or in the second word, we use it like a letter E, but a long E. These, this, these, this, these. Okay? Let's check now our examples. Mario, read the singular examples. Okay? This and that.
This is an apple. That is an apple.
Very good. Now let's check our examples in plural. Please, yeah, in plural. Help me, please, Leslie. Read the examples in plural. Oh, okay, let's see. Let's listen right now to Fernando. Fernando, read the plural examples.
These are apples. Those are apples.
Very good. These are apples. Those are apples. As you see, we have, well, okay, the demonstrative pronouns are divided in two categories. Number one, singular. Number two, plural. But also, there are some other categories that we can divide it in. For example, Luis, read this information about the demonstrative pronouns.
Near and this distance or time. This and no, this and this.
Okay,
Or
nice.
far in
Now,
distance or time. That or those.
very good. So as you see, when we use this and these, we are talking about something that is near. For example, my cell phone. This is my cell phone. It's near. This is my water bottle. This, because it's near to me or it's close to me. Now let's see. If I have something far from me, I can say that if it is one object. But if it is plural, we use those. For example, that, well, you cannot say it because it's far, but that's my English book. That's my English book, or that is my English book. Okay, let's see some examples now. Let's pay attention to singular, the singular form. Now we have, remember our class is about clothes, so we will use it for that. Now let's see, please Daniela, read the two examples.
This, this is my jacket. That, and that is my cup.
Very good. What do we have over here? We have distance, okay? Since we have distance, we are using that. But if something is close or is near, we use this, okay? So let's read the following information. Please, Josue, help me with this.
For an object that is near, we use this. For an object that is far, we use that.
Very good. Let's see some examples. As you can see in the pictures, let's see. Malcolm, are the pictures close or far? In example number one.
They are close.
They are close. And what happened in the picture number two? Is the cap close or far from the kid?
The cap is far from the kid.
Very good. As you see, we have, in example number one, we don't have any distance. But in the second example, we have a little space between the kid and the cap. Okay, now let's check your examples. Okay, right now, look around you and tell me what is there next to you. So next to you, for example, as I said, this is my cell phone. It's near, it's close to me. What about you, Luis? What do you have near to you?
This is my keyboard.
Okay. Well, that's okay. That's so beautiful. Thank you. So that's your keyboard. What about you, Mario? Tell me one example using this.
This is my hair, head. Hair. My. This is my ear head. Oh no. Me audífonos.
Oh, headset.
Headset. Yes.
Okay, you can say headset. Also, you can say headphones. Okay, both are correct.
Thanks.
Headphones. I will write it for you on the chat. So very good. So these are, sorry, but in this case, we have, it's plural because we have 1, 2. So it's plural. Okay, in that case, we use plural, but it's a great example, a great effort. Let's see now, please, Malcolm, tell me one example using this.
This is my computer.
Okay, very good. We cannot see your computer because obviously you are connected on the computer in the class. Very good. So thank you, Malcolm. Now, let's check some other examples using that. As you know, we have distance between an object and us. For example, remember my example? That is my English book. I have an English book, but it's over there, okay? So that's my English book. Now, Josue, tell me one example using that, something that is far from you.
That is my bed.
Okay, that's your bed. Very good, great example. Tell me, please, Jairo, one example using that, something that is far from you.
That is my shoe.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Daniela, tell me one example using that.
This is my sofa.
Oh, that's my sofa. Very good. Okay, thank you. Leslie, tell me one example using that. Okay. Okay, so let's see. As you remember, we are talking about singular, one object. The only correction I did was the headphones. Headphones are plural because we have one ear, second ear, so we have to say headphones in plural, okay? Let's continue and check the demonstrative pronouns in plural form. Please, let's pay attention to Fernando. Fernando, read the two examples right now. This and those.
Okay, these are my shoes and those dresses are mine.
Thank you. So very good job. Now, Luis, read the information about this and those.
For objects that are near, we use these. For objects that are far, we use those.
Very good. Now, we can use Mario's example. These are my headphones. These are my headphones. But if I talk about something in plural that is far, I could say, those are my windows. I have 1 and 2 windows over here. So I can say, those are my windows. What about you, Daniela? Tell me one example using these in plural.
I don't know, glasses? Is this? Okay.
Yes, it's plural.
This is my glasses.
This is
My
in plural?
glasses.
In plural?
In plural. These are my glasses.
Very good, okay?
Yes.
Thank you. These are my glasses, okay? Glasses are also plural because we have one eye, twice, okay? So that's why it's plural. So very good, Daniela. Those are, or sorry, those are because they are not close to me, they are far. So those are your glasses. Pretty good. Let's see, Malcolm, tell me one example using these in plural.
These are my gloves.
Okay, these are your clothes. Very good. Thank you. Let's see, Luis, tell me one example using these.
These are my cell phones.
Wow, okay, you have 2 cell phones.
They're not mine.
Okay, but that's pretty good. Okay, Luis? I'm sorry, okay, but that's pretty good. Okay, so you have your cell phones over there. Thank you. Now, Mario, tell me your example using these.
These are my color pencil color.
Okay. Okay, your color pencils. Well, how many color pencils do you have, Mario?
I have 12 colors.
12. Okay, so you have the little box, but it's pretty cool. That's nice. Okay, Mario, thank you for your example. Now, let's talk about far objects that we have. Fernando, tell me one example using those. Remember my example. Those, oh, okay, so those windows, okay? Those windows.
Mm, maybe those those are my cars.
My cars.
Yeah.
Okay, how many cars do you have?
Uh, I'm not my, but in
But
my
they are
house,
in my house.
in my house there are 3 cars.
Okay, that's pretty cool. They are not yours, but they are in your house. So you have 3 cars. That's cool. Okay, thank you, Fernando, for sharing. What about you, Malcolm? Tell me one example using those. Remember, in plural.
Um, those pants are mine.
Very good. Those pants. Thank you for your example, okay? Yes, guys, I know that we only wear, okay, a pair of pants, okay? But we have 2 legs. That's why pants is also plural. And jeans is also plural, okay? Very good. Jairo, tell me one example using those.
Yes, those markers are mine.
Very good. Those markers are mine. So, very good. As you see, we are using this and that in singular, and these and those for plural, okay? Remember how to use them, and we will continue practicing. Now we have to check a question. Let's continue with this, okay? We have how much. If you remember, we use how many and how much to talk about quantities, but also we use how much, well, for this use. Please, Leslie, read this information.
How much? We use how much to talk about prices.
Okay, very good, Leslie. Thank you. Josue, read the example in the conversation.
How much is this car? $8?
Very good. It's 8.
It's $8.
Very good. It's $8. Okay. As you see, we use how much not to talk about quantity, not to talk about there is one car. It is not for there is and there are. In this opportunity, we are using how much to talk about the price, to talk about money. Okay. So let's continue and check the use of how much is and how much are. Please help me with this, Luis. We can use
We can use how much is to ask about singular nouns. And how much are to ask about plural nouns.
very good. Okay, we have, well, it's the same meaning, but 2 different questions. How much is, how much are? Let's check right now what's the correct use of how much is and how much are. Let's read some examples. Please, Daniela, help me with the first object. Help me with the backpack.
How much is backpack? It's $50.
Very good. Daniela, I have a question for you. How many backpacks are there? How many?
How many? What's
1 backpack, 2 backpacks, 3 backpacks. How many are there in the picture?
One.
Only 1, right? So is it
Yes.
singular or plural?
Yeah. It's singular.
I'm sorry, I couldn't listen to you very well. I'm sorry.
Okay.
So, very good. So how much? So remember how much? It is singular, so we use is. Very good. Let's check the next example. Please, Mario. Let's read about the hoodie.
How much is that hoodie? It is $36.
Very good. It is 36. Good pronunciation, Mario. So it is $36. Mario, is it a hoodie or many hoodies?
It's one hoodie.
It's one. So is it singular or plural?
It's singular.
Very good. Okay, remember, since we are talking about singular, we use is, and of course, we answer using its. So thank you, thank you. Let's check our next example. Please help me with this, Fernando.
How much is that ring? It's $80.
Very good. Fernando, is the ring near to me or is that is far from me?
It's far.
It's far. So what do we need to use? This or that?
When the object is near to you.
Oh, but I mean, if it is far, what do I need to use?
That.
Ah, very good. So we have that. Okay, of course. Let's check our last example. Thank you. Now, Malcolm, read example 4.
How much is this necklace? It is $20.
Very good. So the necklace, it's $20. As you see, okay, we are using this and that in singular. And we have to use how much also, how much is, I'm sorry, for singular. Now let's check our plural examples, okay? So plural form. Let's read some examples. Please, Josue, help me with the first one about the boots.
How much are these boots? They're $42.
Very good. Tell me, please, are the boots singular or plural? Josue?
Plural. Plural.
Plural. Why? Why are they plural?
Because we are using these in boots with the letters S.
Okay, very good. Of course. So we are using this, sorry, these. So it's plural, and also we have the letter S. Pretty good. Thank you. Now, please, Malcolm, help me with the second example about the sunglasses.
How much are those sunglasses? They are $12.
Very good. Okay, so they are $12. Okay, tell me, please, Malcolm, are the sunglasses singular or plural?
They are plural.
So what do we use for plural?
Those. We use those.
Ah, very good. We use those. That's cool.
Those.
Is it near or far?
Those are near.
Near? And what happened to
Are
the...
far.
Aha, so do we have distance or not?
Oh, yeah. They are far.
Ah, they are far, okay? So we use those. Nice job, okay? Thank you, Malcolm. Let's continue, guys. Check. Well, okay, let's check the globes. Okay, tell me, please, right now. Jairo, read the example about the globes.
How much are those gloves? They're $12.
Ah, they are $12. Very good. Well, let's check our last example. Please, Daniela, read the example about the jeans.
How much are these jeans? They are $25.
Pretty good, okay? They are $25, okay? As you see, everybody, we are using this and those to talk about plural. So, do you have any question about it? Questions by now? Okay, pretty good. So, if you don't have any question, I have questions for you. Okay, before we practice that, okay, we are going to go to an activity. Let me check. Okay, right now we are going to start practicing how much, we are going to start practicing the demonstrative pronouns. So this, that, these, and those. Okay, let's see. We will complete the example together. So I know it looks a lot, but we will not read it all of this. So let's read together, please. Let's start with Daniela. Okay, let me see. I'm so sorry, Josue. Okay, so let's see. We will start with Daniela. Daniela, you will read the first paragraph. Okay, help me with paragraph number 1. And you have to use the correct form. This, that, these, or those.
Okay, Sophie, come in. I'll show you new apartment. Look, this is my bathroom.
Okay,
and
let's stop over here, Daniela. So what is the correct form? What is the correct word? This,
This.
that, like this?
No. S.
Like this. Okay, very good. So good pronunciation, Daniela. But I wanted to see if you understood. Very good. So this is my bedroom. And
Wait me. I need to check.
okay.
Okay. And this is my sister with T, I don't know, H-E-E-S-E.
Like this?
Yes.
Okay. And this is my sister's.
And
Continue.
do you like what is curtain?
Curtains.
Curtains. And do you like this curtain here in the same
In
T?
plural.
Yes, in plural.
Okay, very good. So this curtains here. Thank you. Let's see right now. Let's pay attention to Jairo. Okay, Jairo, remember this, that, these, and those. Read the second paragraph.
Paul is doing his homework in that library. Here was used
in that library.
Use those dictionaries.
Those, or what is the correct one?
Those. And that is his favorite place for studying.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Now let's check. Next example, please. Luis, tell me example number 3.
Okay, last Saturday, Ginger and Patrick got married, and this is their wedding photo.
In singular or plural?
This, singular.
Yeah. This is their wedding photo.
I had a lot of fun at the dinner party.
Very good. Thank you. Let's continue with example 4. Mario, you are my 4th volunteer. Read example 4.
Sorry.
Don't worry, okay?
This.
This. Continue. This beach here.
This beach is here is amazing. I've never seen such an exotic view. The sun is so white and that hotel over there is beautiful.
Okay, great practice, Mario. Okay, let's continue practicing fluency. Okay, we will read together again, Mario. Let's repeat after me, okay, for fluency. Repeat after me. This beach here is amazing.
This beach here is amazing.
I've never seen such an exotic view.
I've never seen such an exotic view.
The sand is so white, and that hotel over there is beautiful.
The sun is so white, and that hotel over there is beautiful.
Very good, okay? Continue practicing fluency, Mario. Your pronunciation is fine. Okay, let's move on to our next conversation, okay? We are going to talk about Mike, Samantha, Christina, Veronica, and Adele. Okay, please help me, Fernando. Help me with example about Mike.
Um, is is this here your car?
Singular or plural?
Singular.
Very good. Wait, this. Is this here your car? Continue.
No, I think my is that one
Oops. That one
over there.
over there. Very good. Thank you. Let's continue right now. Let's pay attention to Leslie. Okay, Leslie, tell me the conversation between Samantha and Ellen.
My mom bought me those shoes yesterday. Do you like them? Yes, I do, but I think uh, these red shoes.
Singular or plural?
Singular. On
This?
the shelf are nicer.
Okay, thank you. Let's see. Let's continue with conversation between Christina and Joe. Malcolm, tell me, what is the conversation?
Who are that people over there?
That people over there,
Sorry, creo que es those people.
Ah, very good. Okay, those people. Nice, okay. Those, yes, those no, those. So very good. Continue.
People.
I think
they are Marina's brothers. I'm going to show them those pictures here. No, this picture.
very good. Thank you. Let's continue now and pay attention to. Okay, Daniela, help me with the next conversation between Veronica and Mary.
Okay, would you like to meet those new college students over there? Mary, yes, I'd love to talk to them. They seem nice.
Well done. Okay, thank you. Well, the last example, let's see. Please help me with this. Josue, read the conversation between Adele and Jake.
I imagine that those girls here are French students. Yes, you're right. And those guys who is near to the door comes from Switzerland. He can also speak French.
Okay, so you're right. And those guy?
Well, and this guy, sorry,
Singular or plural?
Yes.
singular.
This guy who is near the door comes from Switzerland. He can also speak French. Very good. Now this is kind of easier because we don't have to remember, we only have to choose the correct option. So let's check. Luis, what is the correct option number 1?
A ver. I hate eating seafood, but this in singular, I think.
In singular, this.
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, because it's green. Okay, thank you. Let's see, Leslie, example number 2 about Lara.
Lara often swims in that swimming pool in summer.
That swimming pool. Okay, very good. Thank you. Let's continue. Please help me with the next one, Fernando. Example number 3.
Do you wear this winter clothes in March? No, I don't.
Okay, thank you. Let's continue, please. Malcolm, help me with example 4.
Are you waiting for that bus going to Alexanderplatz? Yes, I am.
Okay, nice. Mario, number 5.
This dog was eating and this cat were hungry.
Okay, very good. Let's see. The last example is for, okay, help me please, Jairo. Example 6. Susie.
This is working for that Japanese company in New York.
Okay, now we finish. Let's check together what are the correct answers, if we have a 10 or not. Okay, so we have to check our answers and, oh my gosh, we have a lot. Okay, let's check why are they incorrect. Okay, so Sophie, come in. I'll show you my new apartment. Look, this is my bedroom and what could
That.
be the correct? Ah, very
This.
good. So we could say that. Okay, why? Because we are showing or we are showing another room. We are in one room, my bedroom. We are showing another bedroom. So that. Let's check. Paul is doing his homework in that library. So what
That.
could be? What could be the
This.
correct? This library, I'm sorry, here, in this place. So here, remember, when we are using here, we are talking about something near. But if we use there or over there, we are talking about something that is far, okay? And that's the main problem in this example. So he always uses, what is the correct answer?
This dictionary.
These dictionaries.
This.
And
this.
And this is his favorite place for studying. Okay, so very good. Then we have 1, 2, 3, right example. So well done, everybody. Then in Samantha's conversation, my mom bought me those. What's the correct option?
These.
These, very good. These shoes yesterday. Yes, I do, but I think, what is the correct option?
Those.
Those.
Malcolm, why do we
Those.
use those?
Because they are.
Because shoes is singular or plural?
Plural.
Plural, very good. Well, then we have those, these, they are correct, also those. And in the last one, we have, I imagine, those girls. Here, these, very good, because we are using here, okay? And that guy who is near the door, okay? So we are not near the door, but the boy is. So that's why. And then the other examples are all correct. So clap for you guys. You're doing an amazing practice. Let's continue doing your best. And now we have to practice how much and, okay, how much is and how much are. So let me go back to the presentation and then we practice. Let me see. Okay, guys. I was looking in some in some websites, and I wrote the correct price. I wrote the real price of these items, okay? So right now, you have to guess, you have to imagine what is the price of it. So let's start with this. How much are those jeans? What do you think, Luis? How much are those jeans?
$25.
They are $30.
They are 30. Okay, let me see. I will write your option. So $30. Mario, what do you say? What did you say? How much are those jeans?
$25.
Okay, they are $25. Okay, let's see. Let's listen to a third option. Fernando, how much are those jeans?
Maybe it's 35.
35. Okay, so we have three options: 30, 25, and 35. So let's check. Okay, Luis just said 30, Mario 25, Fernando 35. 35. Very good. Jairo, between these three options, what do you think that is the correct one?
Number 3.
Number 3. Okay. Daniela, between these three options, what do you think is the correct one?
I think it's 3.
Number 3. Okay, so we have 2 stars. Let's see, Malcolm, between these three options, what do you think is the correct price? Number 1, 2, or 3?
I think is option 2.
Option 2, 25. Okay. Leslie, what do you think is the correct option? Number 1, 2, or 3?
Number 2.
Number 2. Well, this is difficult. Okay, so Luis, I'm sorry, but 30 is eliminated. Okay, in this opportunity, 30 is eliminated. Okay, so let's check, guys. What's the correct price of it? Okay, how much are those jeans, Jairo?
$40. Oh, they are $40.
They are $40. That's right. And yes, guys, that's the correct price. Okay, I look on the internet for the price of these jeans. Okay, so very good. Thank you for your practice, guys. Let's go to our second object. How much is this hat? Let's check. Mario, how much is this hat?
$27.
27. It's 27. Okay, let's check. Leslie, how much is this hat?
I don't know, maybe 40.
40. Okay, it's possible. Let's see. Okay, well, Daniela, how much is this hat?
I guess $50.
I'll repeat again.
50.
50?
No,
15. I'm sorry, 15. Okay, very good. So we have three options. Mario's option, Leslie's option, and Daniela's option. Luis, what do you think is the correct price? Or is closer?
15.
15, okay. Jairo, what do you think is the correct price?
15.
15 also, okay. Let's see, Fernando, what do you think is the correct price?
Maybe the first one price.
The first one, $27?
Yeah, 27.
Okay, very good. Malcolm, what do you think? What is the correct price?
I think is option 2. Option 1, $27.
27. Okay, very good. Okay, so I'm sorry, Leslie, but number 2 is eliminated. Okay, so no one said 40. Okay, sorry. Okay, now let's check together. Luis, tell me, how much is this hat?
It's $15.
It's $15. Okay, so, well, Daniela, your option was the correct one. So that's for you, okay? Very good. Let's check now the last, well, the last subject, okay? How much is this jacket? Malcolm, what do you think? How much is this jacket?
I think it's $59.99.
Okay, $59.99. Okay, very specific, okay? $59.99. Okay, let's check option 2. Okay, Fernando, how much is that jacket?
$40.
$40. Okay. Okay, let me see. Jairo, how much is this jacket? Is that jacket? I'm sorry.
$59.
$59. 50. Oh, I'm sorry. 59. I was thinking about something else, guys.
No,
Okay.
69.
69.
Yeah.
Okay, so well, that's too expensive, but it's okay. Now, let's vote. Daniela, what do you think is the correct price? 59.99, $40 or 69?
59 and
99.
99.
Okay. Let's see, Luis, what do you think is the correct option?
I think the closest one will be $69.
69. Okay, very good. What do you think, Leslie? What is the correct option? Okay, thank you. Let's see, Mario, what do you think is the correct option?
40.
40. Okay, so we have 1, 1, and 1. Okay, let's check the correct price of this jacket. Mario, how much is that jacket?
It is $25.
It's $25. Yes, of course. Okay, so okay, the closest one was $40. Era más cercano, but okay, we did it. Okay, thank you for your practice, everybody. So remember, we need to use how much, when we're talking about prices, we need to use well, how much is or how much are, depending if it is singular or plural. Before we go, guys, let's check our homework. Okay, please work on the platform and complete the following activities. I'm sorry. Okay, complete the following activities. Today, we are starting unit 5. This is the last unit of level pre-intermediate 1. So please work on these activities. Find point 0, find point 1, find 5.1.1, 5.2, the video, grammar, and then find point 3.2, 5.3.3. Okay, please work on these activities. And also, guys, please take the exam. Okay, if you already took the exam, thank you, guys, because I already checked your grades. One person got a 10, and that's something really good. And the ones that didn't take the exam yet, please do it. Okay, los que no han tomado el examen, por favor, háganlo. Recuerden que, pues, hoy tendría que ser el último día para tomarlo, así que por favor, traten de tomarlo a más tardar hoy o mañana por la mañana. Okay, so thank you guys for being here. Well, we finished the class, and nice to see you today. Take care, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow. Have a good night.
Bye.
You tomorrow.
Good night.
Bye, good night.